Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your W-4 form step by step. First, you will complete steps 1 and 2. Step 1 requires your name, address, and social security number. For step 2, indicate your filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household. If you have multiple jobs or your spouse works, check the box in step 2C to ensure accurate withholding. This helps prevent underwithholding throughout the year. Moving on to step 3, this is where you account for dependents to adjust your withholding. For each qualifying child under the age of 17, you can claim a credit of $2,000. For other dependents, such as older children or relatives, you can claim $500 per person. Remember, these credits reduce the amount of tax withheld, potentially increasing your take-home pay. Ensure your total income is below the specified thresholds to claim these credits. In Step 4, you can make further adjustments to your withholding. Section A is for other income you expect that isn't from a job, like investment earnings. Section B allows you to account for deductions beyond the standard amount, which can further reduce your withholding. Finally, in Section C, you can request an additional specific dollar amount to be withheld from each paycheck. This is useful if you prefer to overpay slightly to avoid a tax bill. The final and crucial step is to review and sign your W-4 form. Double-check all the information you've entered, especially your personal details and any claimed credits or adjustments. Once you are confident everything is accurate, sign and date the form in Step 5. This certifies that the information provided is correct. Then, submit the completed form to your employer's payroll department so they can adjust your tax withholding accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.